Today we are going to learn about unordered lists in HTML. First, write the basic structure of the HTML. UL stands for unordered list. LI stands for list. In unordered list we have an attribute type. There are total 3 types: square, disk, and circle. You can see the changes in the output. If you will not give any value, then by default it will be disk type. Now we will create nested unordered list. You can see the changes in the output. You can also change the type in nested unordered list. You can create the unordered list like this. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.